Looking for a budget customizable keyboard? Here is the answer. The Redragon K641B Shaco Aluminum Mechanical Keyboard. Let's open it up. It comes with a plastic wrist rest, screws for the wrist rest, cell phone holder, switch puller, keycap puller, USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB Type-A adapter, extra switches, user manual and stickers, and of course, the keyboard. It has top to bottom aluminum casing and a plastic flip stand. Before testing it out, let's install the accessories. Starting with the wrist rest. Installing the screws so that the wrist rest does not slide out. Moving on to the cell phone holder. It is effortless to install. And it provides flexible placement options as it doesn't have a locking mechanism unlike the wrist rest. Alright, sound test. Without a desk pad. And now with a desk pad. It doesn't sound too shabby. It's not pingy, which is common in aluminum keyboards. The foam layers inside reduces the unwanted hollow sounds. The outermost switches are not scratchy. All in all, it's a great out-of-the-box experience. But if you want to customize your typing experience, you can do so. The keycaps are easy to remove using the included keycap puller. The switches are also easy to swap out using the included switch puller. And look! The aluminum casing remained unscratched even after swapping switches, ensuring that frequent switch changes will not affect the keyboard's appearance. You can also open it up to add or change the foam layers inside. Another way to customize this keyboard is through the RGB lighting. Just press Function plus page down to cycle through the presets. Function plus page up to change the colors of lighting at the sides. Obviously, with USB-A connection, it is compatible with a laptop and PC. So today, let's try it on our phone. Just plug it in. And it works. By the way, the Redragon Shaco Mechanical Keyboard is also available in black gray.